Welcome everyone. Today I want to show you a very short video about how to create seamless corner windows in ArchiCAD. A lot of you asked me about this when I showed up the last video with the ArchiCAD speed build House in the Woods, where I used seamless corner windows. And there's a little trick you might not know if you haven't done it yet, so I'm gonna show it to you. So in this showcase house we have 3 different windows. You see this here with the fixed glass, you see this with the side hung, and this is tilt and hung, I guess that's the name, I'm not sure. And the first thing that you have to do is to change the windows to a fixed glass window. The reason for this is, and yes, ArchiCAD is surprisingly intelligent in this, you cannot do or you cannot create seamless corner windows when you do not have fixed glass windows, because in real life it's also not possible in reality. So yeah, I will show you where to find it in the menu, and we will start with the not fixed glass window. So you will see that the option is blacked out or grayed out, and which kind of different option we will have. So we choose this window here and we go into the options, Control and T or Command and T, and in the basic Windows settings, when you click here, you also have the custom corners down here under fixtures and fittings, custom corner, and then you can choose which corner you want to edit. So corner 1 is the left or right side and corner 2 is the other side. To be honest, I never know which side is the right side. I always have to try out. Doesn't matter, I will stick here with custom corner 1, and instead of a frame, which is the corner type right now, you can choose between frame and corner column. That's it. So the option is not even blacked out or grayed out, it's not there. You could create a corner column and you could change the settings of the corner column, and then you can create a corner window with a special corner column. That's probably the most realistic way to create a seamless corner window, because if you have ever built a house or a project, a building with these corner windows, you might know that corner columns are way more cheaper than the seamless ones. The seamless ones are really expensive, so they are really rare. Anyway, we want to create them. I cannot do this here. There's no option for this, so I can go back into the basic window settings. I click here and go into opening type and angle. And there you can change the opening type. It's at side hung right now, and I just choose fixed glass. When it's fixed glass, I go back into custom corners, and now you have the option to choose glass. 90 degrees is okay, because I have a 90-degree angle here. If you have another angle of the walls, you can type in whatever you like or whatever fits here. If you have different connecting wall thicknesses, that's not a problem. You just check in, and then you can say the other wall or the wall that connects to the wall where the window sits in is has another thickness, so it doesn't matter. In this case the walls are the same, so I don't have to check this in. And after checking in the custom corner and going to class, that's it all. Mostly the class is changing, and I see obviously I chose the wrong side. So this corner right now has the custom corner. I wanted this corner to be the custom corner. Doesn't matter. I will use the Alt key to steal the settings, and Alt and Control to put the settings in here. And I think the easiest way is to delete the window. So again, Alt key to steal the options. This is my sun side, the outside. And now I can choose where the corner should be, on the left or the right side. So that's pretty right. Also delete this window here. And before I create the other window, I choose this and I push this point here to the corner. So I'm using the international version right now. I know the shortcuts are not the same in every version, they are totally different. In the German version I would usually use the command Control and E to drag the window to the corner. In the international version it's Control and D. If you don't want to use any shortcuts, you can also click on here and use drag horizontally, and you wait until it locks at the corner. So this window is, it fits to the corner, and we just need the other window. Again, I hold down the Alt key, steal the settings of the window. This is my outside. Then I choose this arrow here, Control and D, and I drag this to the corner too, and now I have my cornerless or seamless corner window. So that's the right name of the windows. And also, okay, these windows are at the outside. They are on the same surface as the facade is. We can push them back. We have to select them both, and we can say reveal to wall core. Let's say 0.2, 20 centimeters, for example. Okay, and the problem is that you see we have to push the windows both 20 centimeters back so they will fit again, but that shouldn't be a problem at all. I choose the first window, Control and D, 0.2, enter, and I do the same thing. I do the same thing with this window here, 0.2, enter, and now it fits again. So that's all about seamless corner windows. Leave me a comment down below under the video description if you haven't heard of this, let's say tip or trick, because it's not very obvious, to be honest. And also there is the cornerless window option at, I think, in ArchiCAD 20 or something, and they left it out in 21 or 22. I'm not sure yet, but there had been cornerless windows at the 3D options or design options, how it's originally called. And if you haven't know this trick or tip yet, then just tell me. I want to know if you knew it before, or if you haven't, and if you will use it maybe in your designs or design studies, whatever you are building in ArchiCAD. And as always, I wish you have a great day and that you stay creative.